is so good it'll make you start your period. If you know it, sing along. Did anyone get their period? Cool. She wasn't lying. Wow. I got one more for you. This song I just put out like a few weeks ago. It's called Stitch.